Are you having problems with not being able to authorize on TikTok on your iPhone and you want to be able to fix it? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually me myself, I had the exact same problem before, and I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it quite quickly. So what you're going to do firstly is to of course open up your TikTok app and then come to your profile right here, as you can see. And now when you're on your profile, then what you're going to do firstly is to click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines. And as you can see, you should now be able to view these alternatives right here, which is perfect. So now in here, we're just going to click where it says settings and privacy. So click on settings and privacy. And now in here, we're just going to scroll down. So keep scrolling down until you can see where it says report a problem, and click on report a problem. Just going to load here, and perfectly, as you can see, we should now be taken to this page, which is great. So now on this page, just scroll down all the way down until you can see where it says chat with us, and that is exactly where you need to click. So click on chat with us, and now you're just going to write like this to the TikTok support. You're going to write to them, report a problem, report a problem, and you're just going to wait for them to answer. Now you're going to click on submit a ticket in here, and what you're going to do now is to write exactly like this to the support. I'm having issues with not being able to authorize on my TikTok account. I need this to be fixed. So this is exactly what you need to write to the support right now. I am having issues with not being able to authorize on my TikTok account. I need this to be fixed. Now click on submit. And then now you're just going to wait about 24 to 48 hours for the TikTok support to be able to see this. And after they have seen this, hopefully this will now be fixed for you as well. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I wish you the best day.